Fallotaspis is a genus of redlichiid trilobite genus found in early Cambrian-aged strata of the United States and Morocco. Etymology. The generic name, Fallotaspis, is a compound Crassus word that honors Paul Fallout (1889–1960), a French paleontologist who researched Cambrian fossils in Spain, in combination with the Greek word aspis, meaning shield. Description. As with most early trilobites, Fallotaspis has an almost flat exoskeleton that is only thinly calcified and has crescent-shaped eye ridges. As part of the Alenolina suborder, Fallotaspis lacks dorsal sutures. As part of the superfamily Fallotaspidoidea, Fallotaspis can be distinguished from Alenaloidea, Judomyoidea, and Nivadioidea by features of the cephalon, and in particular the glabella. The glabella tapers forward. The frontal lobe of the glabella, because it is counted from the back, it is numbered 4 lira, is as long as the most backward lobe, 0 lira, less than in these other Alenolina subfamilies. The eye ridges, or ocular lobes, contact, but do not merge with, the entire frontal margin of the glabella. The cephalon of Fallotaspis is semicircular in shape, with rounded cheeks that are continuous with long spines that go back to the first half of the thorax. Sutures absent. The thorax has up to 21 segments. The third segment terminating in a long spine that extends back to the 14th segment. The tail shield, or pygidium, is very small, about the same length as the two most backward thorax segments combined. Key to the species. This key is based on the analysis of Lieberman. This key only includes the 2 Fallotaspis species that Lieberman included in his analysis, where the literature suggests there may be at least 10 species. It complements the key in the Fallotaspidoidea article. Sources. Photo of F. longa. Photo of FSP. White MTN Research Station. References.